Welcome to 7Social. Our leadership team is composed of veterans of the sales and marketing industry with over 40 years of combined experience. 7Social is a new company that was founded by two of the best operators in the automotive Facebook event industry. Working with another company, they were one of the original and largest resellers for the innovator of Facebook buyback events and have managed over $3 million plus in ad spend. Due to the nature of the world after the pandemic, there was some changes that needed to happen in the industry, and that wasn't happening while working with the other company. 7Social was founded with the idea that our clients come first and we support them by offering the latest technology and best products and services available in the market. Utilizing the tools and marketing insight acquired along the way, we are now offering our services to clients in other industries. 7Social uses an omni-channel marketing approach. Omni-channel marketing simply means you reach your clients everywhere they spend time. Our omni-channel approach starts with the basics, but can extend to over-the-top TV and more. Below are our basic marketing omni-channel approaches. The first key to our approach is social media marketing. We create content and push budget behind them to deliver a desired result on your social media platforms. Then we follow through with digital display marketing. Use several methods to collect data and serve your prospects ads based on where they live, work, and play, both online and in the real world. After we drive the traffic to your business, we use site and CRM retargeting. We collect customer profiles to serve ads to, based upon their previous interactions with your company's websites or social pages. We can then send the relevant ads based on where they went on your social media pages or website. Just like every other marketing tactic, the cost to advertise on social media platforms isn't as cheap as it once was, but it is as cheap as it will ever be. A well-executed ad campaign can and will outperform other tactics. The key factors to a great campaign are as follows. Strong ad copy. A well-written ad copy with great hooks and a strong call to action gets attention and people will interact. This helps the algorithm know to keep serving them this ad. Eye-catching ad creative. The creative should catch the ideal customer's eye, include the hooks, and also have the strong call to action. The goal is to get the consumer to interact with the ad without even needing to read the copy. Proper audience targeting. There are a number of different ways to select your target audience on SMP, including geographic, behavioral, customer lists, and more. Proper targeting means you get better click-through rates, lower cost per leads, and increased return on investment. When we are creating a package for our clients, we help them decide on which tactics will work best for their needs and pick the appropriate amount of impressions they want to purchase based on those tactics. Different tactics and creative types have different costs based on the way the data is collected and delivered. Just like with most advertising products, the more impressions you purchase, the cheaper they become. Most packages start at $3,000 and go up. We would love to put together a package for you. Reach out to the 7Social team today to set up your free marketing audit.